Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in this Nissan key fob. Pretty straightforward process. First and foremost, you're going to need your 1620 battery. You can get these off Amazon for just a few dollars. There's a link below in the description. I've also included a link to the screwdriver I'm using. This is a Phillips 3.0. That's about the right size. And then also a flat blade screwdriver about this size will work. So what you want to do here is on the back, remove this screw. I've already started this. Go ahead and take that out, set it aside so you don't lose it. Then right here, there's a tiny little slot. Stick your screwdriver there, give that a twist. Now at this point, ideally something extremely small to wedge right here works, but your Phillips head will work there. So 1620 comes out and the new one goes in positive side facing downward. And then give this a good squeeze back together. Put your screw back in, you're all set. No need to reprogram, you're good to go. Thanks so much for watching, hope this was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.